Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and I hope you all are safe and good. So I am back with some new resource and this time for the people who are currently studying in colleges, especially doing engineering, right? Engineering colleges. So if you are in third year or fourth year looking for placement or in second year looking for internship, so this video will be very helpful for you because I am sharing some resources where you will get resources for preparation, like job opportunities where you can apply and all the stuff. So it will be really a great video for you all. And I hope you enjoy the video, watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more such videos. So without wasting time, I'm starting the video. So I have some GitHub repos listed, which will be I'll be talking about in the video. The first GitHub repo is by two weights slash SD interview question. So currently in the market, everyone wants to be the software development engineer, right? SD. So but you cannot get the right direction how to prepare for the SAT because obviously DSA is hard. Yeah, you prepare for DSA, then like different companies ask different type of questions, different patterns of questions. So for that they have arranged a GitHub repo where they have listed the questions particularly for particular company, which will be helpful for you, right? So if I click on Adobe, so this is the window it opens. So these are the Adobe interview questions. So if you're preparing for Adobe, it will be very much beneficial for you. So they have listed the coding round questions. What coding round questions mostly Adobe asks in the like they have asked in the past 2 years. So on that basis they have listed. So if you prepare these questions, you will be most commonly get some common questions or questions related to that, so that it will be helpful for you to solve those questions, right? So you can prepare these questions. Then for interview questions, these are the some questions they mostly ask, right? And then if I click, yeah, this is the thing, and interview questions and all those things, right? Some references, if I click on references, so they have not listed anything. So getting back, okay, if I click on Amazon, like everyone wants to be an SD in Amazon, okay. So if you're preparing for Amazon, similarly they have listed some coding questions what Amazon mostly asks, right? So if you prepare these questions, so it will be helpful for you to get an idea what type of question it will be asked, right? Similarly, in what interview questions did Amazon asks, and then on different topics like for in data structures and algorithms they ask these questions. Then for DMS, similarly for operating systems, some miscellaneous questions are also added. So you can get an idea, right, how your whole rounds and all the questions will be. So you can similarly prepare from here. Similarly they have listed for different kind of like companies which pays really well, like similarly for Flipkart, it's just you can spend some time and prepare these questions. Then Expedia, D Shaw, so these are some top companies, okay. So if you're preparing for these companies, it will be really good for you to come here and prepare these questions, right? Before getting or for the round, right? Then similarly for Google, of course, a dream job, right? So if you're preparing for Google also, like what the questions they mostly ask in telephonic round questions, you can prepare from here. And similarly you can prepare like how to answer, right? Then coding round questions is what mostly they have asked. So these are the things they have listed. So in general, what I have shown, right, you can spend some time and like prepare for other companies also, and what are the questions, like what different companies have asked, right? So this all about this GitHub repo. Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, that is MX. SSL/SRE interview preparations guide. So if you are specifically like applying for site reliability engineer, SRE in short, right? If you are preparing for this role, then this GitHub repo will be really helpful for you, right? So like basically they have listed the resources from where you can learn the topics that are mostly needed for the SRE role, right? So for basic, what happens when you type in www.cnn.com, so simple things. If I click, then I guess okay, they have added some articles, so you can read and get the answer of this question, right? Similarly, if in Linux also, you should know Linux, of course, if you are applying for sorry, right? But in Linux also, different topics, like for boot process, how does Linux boot process work, or for file system, understanding Unix versus Linux nodes. So these are the things they have listed, and if you click, they have suggested some like articles where you can get the answer and learn about this topic, so it will be really helpful for you, right? Similarly, you should know networking also. So for networking, they have like added questions that mostly asked, that is mostly needed in the SRE role, and they have given resources also, load balancing, so you can learn about load balancing from here, right? Similarly, other things for containers, for Kubernetes, these are like you should know if you're prepping for SRE, and you can really learn from the resources they have added, right? So 15 Kubernetes best practices you can learn from here. So no need to worry about searching about different resources on your own. Just click on the link and the topic, and you can fulfill your knowledge, right? Similarly, for other topics also, infrastructure as code, databases, CI/CD, clouds, then other languages, like in programming also you should know Python, Go, and other system. Then some system design. So for system design also you can like learn from here. And they are not only added like like articles, but also they have added other resources, like if something is covered in YouTube video, they have listed YouTube video resources. If something is covered in some other GitHub repo, just I have like clicked, so it is covered in this GitHub repo, so you can refer this GitHub repo for this, right? So in this way you can fulfill all the topics that are needed to get ready for the SRE role, and right. So system design examples, design WhatsApp. So you can, if you are clicking design WhatsApp, so I guess they have added, okay, they have added this GitHub article, right? So for other topics also they have listed. Similarly, for interview questions also, what's the most important questions they have mostly asked. So from here also you can prepare like fully prepared, right? You will get fully prepared for SRE role, and it will be really helpful for you to cover each and every topic from the starting to beginning of SRE role, so that you will be job ready and crack any SRE role, right? So some books are also they have added, some courses are have added, so you can look into this GitHub repo and spend some time and crack your SRE role, right? So without wasting time, moving to the next GitHub repo, that is Airshop 24 slash full stack interview question. So if you are preparing for full stack development, then this GitHub repo will be really helpful for you. Okay, so full stack cafe is a biggest hand-picked collection of top technical interview questions. So if I click on full stack cafe, so this is a like website in itself, where they have listed all the questions and resources related to full stack. So uh, if you're into like looking for full stack, then all the combinations and all the data structure, all the system design architecture, you can refer this website. Similarly, getting back, okay, yeah. And so they have their book also, you can refer this book, interview questions, and also it's an ebook, I guess. But okay, they have this other website also where you can learn other full stack or like, okay, it's not full stack ML. Okay, so if you are into ML and DS, right? So you can click learn about ML and DS topics, various topics that are needed for interview, and prepare from this website also, right? So you can just spend some time, right? So very insightful GitHub repo, right? Machine learning data and full stack. So they have listed for full stack also. So if you're learning full stack, you can learn and although get all 3877 answers and plus PDFs on full stack cafe, kill your coding interview. So okay, so from here also all the questions and the answer you will get. So no need to worry about this. So you can fully prepare for full stack from here, right? And similarly, I guess from ML also, MLTS also, you can be fully prepared. And other, they have added some other technologies also. So if you are particularly like selecting some particular language, like for blockchain, for behavioral, so they have like added full stack for everything, like no full stack in blockchain also, full stack in ASP.NET also, full stack in Android. So for in general the full stack, right? So in general you can like search for your own domain, like in full stack in web development, full stack and other stuff, and similarly like get the resources and learn from here. So for .NET, ASP.NET, blockchain, Bootstrap, DevOps, MBT framework, Kotlin, Laravel, anything, a bunch of resources they have added. Machine learning, MongoDB, Redux, Ruby. Okay, anything they have added, so it will be really great for you to prepare. Look at like .NET interview questions they have listed, so you can learn from here, right, and prepare for .NET. Then similarly to your own interest, like if you're searching for other things, uh, they have listed some answers also, like answer of this question is from here. Then ASP.NET. Okay, so it's a very long GitHub repo. It will take a lot of time to cover, but I will not cover everything. I will just introducing you so that you can spend your time and learn from here and get interview ready according to your own interest on the field. Okay, so behavioral interview questions, right? I guess it is for Azure or cloud or Azure interview question. So if you're preparing for Azure, you can learn from there. So in general, I guess you got the idea what this GitHub repo is all about. So spend some time, learn different topics, and it is a great, like, I mean, it is a gold mine, right? You have to spend a lot of time because it consists of everything and a lot of things. So you can learn any technology, any topic from here, and they have given the answers also. So learn from here, and it will be really helpful for you to prepare for the interview and crack your dream job, right? So moving forward to the next GitHub repo, that is Seen Prasad slash lead code patterns. So of course lead code is needed. Like lead code is needed. I mean lead code is a platform mostly used nowadays for preparing for DSA, right? So if you're like in third year, fourth year, second year, whatever, like people are starting DSA from the right first year of the BTech, right? So if you're doing lead codes, so you can learn about the lead code patterns, like what are the different patterns, mainly in data structures and algorithms. So like different algorithms, data structures like arrays, maps, linked list, and their patterns and the different algorithms, the different questions. Like if I click on this lead code patterns entire question list, so they have this every question list, right? So lead code like contents duplicate, and also they have added like it is of what level, it is of easy or medium or hard, and in which companies they have asked. So accordingly you can prepare for particular company also, you can filter. So I guess they have added some filter also, so you can filter on your own part, target a specific company or in general practice DSA, right? So you will get all the patterns and how you can solve and get the answers also. So it's a great platform, right? They have listed all the question and in like on in white top pattern, like it is of array, it is of dynamic programming. So these are the patterns, so you can specifically practice from here. And these are the companies in which these questions have asked, so you can get the idea like which questions to target for interview, right? So very good like platform they have created. And similarly for solutions, like if you need it in solution you can click, but they have added only Java solution, but I guess you can get the other solutions also that is present all over like internet in nowadays, right? So for the Java solutions you can get here. But if you're coding like in different other language like C++ or Python, you can similarly look into like internet, you can similarly find. And they have listed PDF and also all those things. So prepare your DSA from here. They have listed they have created a very good platform here. So we'll get the idea of the different patterns and similarly what questions in which companies they have asked. So it will be really really helpful for you in a structured way. You can really practice DSA, right? So just spend some time in this and it will be really helpful for you. Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, it is HXU/296 lead code company wise problems. It is 2022 GitHub repo, but anyways, lead code questions are available. Like lead code questions are asked repeatedly in different years also. So you can practice lead code specifically to particular company. For if you are okay, we have listed so many companies, right? Okay. Mm, just a minute. Okay, yeah. So for APT portfolio, they have listed these questions. For Accenture, for Activision, for Adobe, they have listed these questions. For if you're preparing for Adobe, prepare these questions. Mostly they ask these questions. For a firm, for Airbnb, if you're like Airbnb, so my bad. So if you're preparing for Airbnb, you can practice these questions. For Akamai, for Elation, Alibaba, Amazon, of course, everyone is dreaming of working at Amazon, Microsoft, these FANG companies. So, if you are preparing for Amazon, also you can practice these questions, and they have listed difficulty and also solution to this. So, no need to worry about that, right? Then American Express, then Apple, okay, Associum, Athena Hills, Baidu, Barclays, Bolt, Box, ByteDance. So all companies they have listed mostly, and what type of questions they mostly ask they have listed. So you can prepare particularly if you're targeting a specific company, or in general you can like if you are preparing for the interview, you can like get an idea what questions they mostly ask. So you can prepare your DSA and it will be really helpful for you, right, to prepare for the interview and crack a specific company if you're targeting. So just spend some time from here and it will be really helpful for you to crack your company and get your dream company, of course, right? Moving forward to the next GitHub repo. So it is Jan Mischel/SW interview questions. So software engineer interview questions. Again, specific to some topics they have listed. So if you're BFS, DFS, linked list, so if you click on linked list, so if you don't know what linked list is, so they have added like into YouTube videos. So if you're unfamiliar with these topics like stacks and queues, binary search trees, so you can similarly click on the link and learn from the YouTube link or whatever they have listed. Then the YouTube interview questions, what mostly asks, right? 10 must know questions you should know for interview, and so you can prepare these questions, and these are the difficulty level and what companies they have asked. So then particularly to specific data structure, what kind of questions mostly companies ask us. So these are the questions they have listed and the company in which they have asked. Then strings specifically for linked lists, trees and traversals, dynamic programming. Then some other interview questions they have added. Then system design also, nowadays system design is also asked. So if you want to prepare for system design also, you can prepare from the links they have added. Okay, I'm not clicking because already the video is, I guess, a bit long, but I guess you're getting the idea. Like you can click and you get the link for the YouTube video or article, right? So you spend some time and learn from these resources they have added, and it will be really helpful for you to prepare for the interview and crack your dream job, right? Similarly for opening systems and idea and concurrency. Okay, so whatever. So I guess you get the idea what this GitHub repo is all about. So spend some time in this GitHub repositories, whatever I am sharing. Okay, so moving forward to the next GitHub repo. So okay, so it is simplify job slash new grad position. So now if you are prepared for the interview, you have already prepared, you solved all the questions and all the knowledges you gained. Okay, now it is the time to apply, right? So you can apply from the this GitHub repo. So they update, I guess, like 3 hours ago it's updated. So I guess they had update it daily. So these are the like companies which are hiring right now, and the last date, which is the last date to apply. And you can similarly apply from here. They have this like platform that is called Simplify. So just click on apply and you will get the like link, direct link to apply, right? So no need to worry about this. So you can get the idea like which companies are hiring for which role, and what is the location, and like apply, just apply, right? So and that is, it is closed, right? This symbol means it is closed. So these are the companies currently open. So you can get the idea like when to apply, like which companies you like, which job you are like, you can similarly apply from here. And yeah, crack, man, right? Twitch is also hiring, Woodside, Jen Parsons are hiring, and HashiCorp is hiring. Similarly for Kickoff, PVM, right? And I guess being an Indian, I guess these companies are listed in USA and UK. But like if you're someone watching the video from UK and US, so we really benefited, and no issues. But yeah, I guess I'm for here to help everyone, right? So you can of course apply and like crack these companies. So this is the GitHub repo is all about, right? I guess moving forward to the next GitHub repo, Fazil Usmani slash Amazon SD preparation. So again, if you are particularly applying for Amazon, if you are particularly targeting for Amazon, so this GitHub repo is really a big thing for you. So all the topics specific to specific topics like in the data structures and algorithms like arrays, searching, sorting, matrix, hashing. In hashing, which questions Amazon access they have listed, right? So if I click on hashing, so these are the most common question Amazon asks on hashing. Similarly, on other topics like in binary search is a big like used topic. So binary search mostly Amazon don't ask, or they have not listed. I don't know. Okay, in stack. So these are the questions they have listed, which like Amazon have asked. Similarly, for on specific topic like binary search, heap, graph, backtracking, you can prepare like which questions like Amazon asks, and it will be really beneficial for you to crack Amazon, right? So moving forward to the next GitHub repo. SMB 1999 slash competitive programming question bank. So if you are someone who is into competitive programming, like want to like compete in like competitions, like coding competitions, right? So then like if you are doing code forces, of course, right? So if you are into competitive programming, so then this GitHub repo is a really good match for you. So all the questions related to specific topics in competitive programming they have added, right? So it will really beneficial for you, right? So arrays, then backtracking, bit manipulation, code beta problem. So if you're applying for code beta, TCS code beta, right? So want the code beta, previous year's code beta questions they have listed, so you can prepare for code beta from here also, right? Similarly for code chef, so if you're, of course I have told about it, code chef. So if you're computer programming, then you'll be familiar with code chef. So code chef questions, which mostly like came then for DSC learning series, they have added this. So you are getting the idea, like all the problems in code chefs and other things. Then DSA 450 GFG, so you can prepare for there, and like 450 questions that is listed in for gigs. All those things you can prepare from here, they have listed, right? Similarly, GCD of two numbers and other similarly simple topics they have listed, so you can just spend some time and click and just go through all those things. Okay, so these are the general questions in computer programming. Then some hackering question solutions of they have added, right? 10 J's of JS, they have added this, right? So according to your own need, it will be really very beneficial for you if you are into the competitive programming field, right? So I guess you got the idea, right? Other things you can just spend some time like searching algorithms, sorting algorithms, strings, images, and all those things. So it's your job. So if you're a competitive programmer, then this GitHub repo will really help you out to get like question, like practice different questions, and also they have listed the answers also. So it will not be a big issue for you, right? So moving forward to the next GitHub repo, to it is MRSec 7 slash placement resources. So again, if you are preparing for placement, so of course again a GitHub repo that will be really helpful for you, right? So specific to companies, they have listed questions. So Adobe, Airbus, American Express, Atlassian, Coordination, Confluent, Cultfit, so Goldman Sachs. So if you are targeting Goldman Sachs, so these are the questions. So and the big good thing is they have not only added coding questions but also aptitude questions, right? So aptitude is also important, right? Because this is the preliminary round, then only you will be selected in the coding, right? So you have to crack aptitude, right? So aptitude questions, and where they have asked IT BHU 2020, right? So they have also listed. So IT BHU, they have in the IT BHU, Goldman Sachs ask these questions. Then crime investigation questions, right? Okay. Then example one. What is this thing? Okay, yeah, this is the image, I guess. And then coming to fold. Oh, okay. These are the questions. So, questions, Stone Cold Mafia. This is the question they have asked in like eightfold AI got have asked. Then connecting the special notes, shopping with wife, and they have these are the questions. Okay, I guess they have not answered the. So they have not given the coding, but they have explained, I guess, right? So I guess if you are if you are into DSA, of course you get the idea how to solve these questions, or you can search in other resources in over the internet. You will really get the idea, right? Or you can solve, of course. It will be really better for you to solve this question, and so that you will be developing your own coding like habit, right? Similarly for Graviton, the other questions. So I guess it is created by the people from IIT BHU, IIT Kharagpur. So I guess you get the idea, right? These are the companies came in big IITs and they have asked these questions. So if you prepare these questions, you can of course crack these like companies, right? So in Ion Group, mostly in IIT BUG people, I guess they have created this GitHub repo. But anyways, just prepare these questions. These are the questions they have asked, and then similarly for different companies, Uber also this, VMware is also there, Slice is also there, right? So it will really beneficial for you to prepare accordingly the questions previously these companies have asked, and if these companies are coming in your college for placement and ask these questions, like you will get the common, right? Or something related to this, you will get able to like crack the questions and get selected for these in companies, right? So these are the other resources related to, I mean, other companies. So Uber, like for Uber, these are the questions they have asked. So you get the idea, right? Like what this GitHub repo is all about. So spend some time, dig into this GitHub repo. Spend some time, learn the questions they have asked, and practice these questions to build your own solving problem solving like ability. And if these companies come to your college, of course you can crack these companies. So that's all about this video. I hope you have enjoyed till now. Okay, and I have shared a lot of resources. I think with these resources, whatever I have shared, you can surely crack your dream company. So best of luck for that. If you are currently in third year preparing for internship or full time next year, or if in fourth year preparing for placement, best of luck for that. Crack your dream job, and write in this comment that I have cracked this company. So it will be happy moment for me that yeah, someone is benefited from this GitHub, like from this video. So anyways, that's all about this video. I hope you have enjoyed till now. With this, I am closing this video. Thank you everyone. Bye.